Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be covering one more important chapter from 8th standard scholarship mathematics section. The name of the topic is surface area and volume. As you all are aware, this particular chapter is based on formulae. There are many formulas in this chapter. They are very easy and you have to by heart them because the questions are going to be very straightforward. Unless and until you know the formula, you won't be able to proceed. Students, please see all the formulae and by heart them. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. First sum will appear on your screen. How many solid coins of diameter 6 cm and thickness 0.2 cm can be made by melting a solid metal cuboid of length 33 cm, breadth 18 cm and height 8 cm? This particular question was asked in 2017. See here, we need to find out the volume of that cuboid, that bigger cuboid, and volume of cylinder. Why cylinder? Because those coins, if you observe, they are in cylindrical shape. So whenever we want to make something small from a bigger thing, we need to find out the volume of the bigger thing and divide that volume by the volume of the smaller thing. Okay, whatever it is, depending on the shape, your formula will change. This division will not change. You have to divide this cuboid and cylinder depending on the information given in the sum. Your formula will change. Here again you should know the formula of volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height, right? And the formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h, right? So let's substitute the figures in that. Length is 33, breadth is 18, height is 8, upon pi is 22 upon 7, r is how much? They have given the diameter of that coin as 6 centimeter. So obviously the radius will be 3, radius square, so 2 times 3, and height is 0.2, that is 2 upon 10. Now upon and again upon, so this 7 will go to the numerator, this 10 also will go to the numerator. So it will look like this now. And this 22 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now let's do the division. 11 3s are, 11 2s are, then 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 6s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 6, then 2 and this 2 gone. So these all are 1. So what is remaining? 3 and 4 and 7 and 10. So let's multiply it. 3 into 4 into 7 into 10. So answer is 840. 840 is the answer. 840 coins can be made. Right? Very easy. I told you, you have to just write down the formula and then substitute the figure. Do the division, your answer will be ready. You should know which formula to use and then you should know the formula. These two important things are there. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next sum. The water tank with length 4 meter, breadth 1.5 meter and height 1 meter is completely filled with water. If it is to be emptied using a bucket of capacity 8 liters, find how many times the bucket should be used to empty the tank completely. See, here also the bigger thing is tank. So volume of the tank will be in the numerator, and volume or the capacity is the same thing of that bucket will be down as a denominator. Tank is in cuboid shape, so length into breadth into height, this is a formula, and capacity of bucket they have given, right, that is 8 liters, they have given 8 liters. So length, breadth and height, let's mention how much it is. 4 into 1.5 into 1, these are all meters, so this will be meter cube, whatever the answer is, and here it is 8 liters. So let's multiply. 4 into 1.5 is 6, into 1 is 6, so 6 meter cube upon 8 liters. So here the units are not matching, so we need to convert this meter cube into liter. You all should know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. If you don't know this, you won't be able to proceed. Okay, that is why I am taking this sum here. How to convert meter cube into liter? Just by multiplication with 1000. 8 will remain here. Now all are liters. Now everything has become liters now. So no need of writing this liters, right? So let's divide. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8, then 4 5s are 20 and this 0. 250 into 3, that is 750 times we will have to make use of that bucket to empty the entire tank. So 750 is the answer. Very easy, based on formulae. Bigger tank volume on top, bucket volume down, but they have given, no need of calculating this. 8 liter they have given, and this is in meter, so meter cube. So we converted meter cube into liter to match with this, and then we did division, we got the answer. Very easy, isn't it? Let's go ahead. Next sum. A cylindrical pipe is made from a metal sheet of length 88 cm and breadth 20 cm. What is the volume of this pipe? Hint is, the length of the sheet becomes the circumference of the base of the pipe. If this hint is not given, you have to assume that. Okay? If the metal sheet is like this, imagine, and if we make a circle like this, obviously this portion is going to be curved like this. So the length is going to be the circumference of the base. We will convert like this. Cylinder, something like that. So this is going to be, this breadth will remain. This is same as this, and this portion is this. So that's why they have given that hint. In case they don't give in the actual exam paper, you have to assume it. Okay. Here what are we supposed to do? What is the volume of this pipe? So they are telling us to find the volume of that cylinder. We should know the formula. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Now let's substitute the figures, but for this we require r, which they have not given. They have not given r. So we need to find out the r from this circumference, which they have given in the form of length, right? Which is 88. So circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, is equal to 88. That is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. We are trying to find out the r with the help of this length. Okay, because this length is going to be the circumference, that is 2 pi r. Please be careful, students. 88, this will be reciprocal if we shift it to the other side, and this 2 will be down here. So 22 4s are 88, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 and 7, that is 14. So r is equal to 14, that we are going to make use of here, r. First we have to do this because we have to use this formula. We have height in the form of breadth, because breadth is going to be the height. But what about this r, which we don't know? So we need to find out with the help of length, which is equal to circumference. So we are equating this formula of circumference with 88 and to find out r. Now we have r. So 22 upon 7, that is pi, then 14 into 14 r square into h is how much? 20. Let's do it. 2s are. So 22 into 2 into 14 into 20. The multiplication is 12320 centimeter cube. All these were in centimeters. So volume is always in cube. Remember that. 12,320 centimeter cube is the answer. Let's go ahead. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 27:64. If the sum of their radii are 28 centimeter, what is the radius of each of them respectively? Students, here you are expected to know the formula of volume of sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. There are two spheres, sphere 1, sphere 2. The radius of this, if we assume as x, other one will be 28 minus x, because radii, this radius I am talking about, radius of circle or the sphere 1, not circle, sphere 1 is x, then sphere 2 will be 28 minus 8x, because they are saying the addition of both the radii is 28 or sum is 28. So we can do this, right? Now let's write the volume of this, 4 upon 3 pi x cube, and here we can write 4 upon 3 pi 28 minus x cube, right? Now they have given the ratio 27:64. We are assuming this as smaller one. So ratio means upon. Volume of sphere 1 upon volume of sphere 2 is 27/64. That is what they have said. Volume of sphere 1 upon volume of sphere 2 is 27:64. So we have written it like that. Now so complicated, isn't it? Not at all. 4 upon 3 will go with each other. This also will go. What will remain is x cube upon 28 minus x cube is equal to 27/64. These are also cube of some number. So very easy, cube root of everything, that is x upon 28 minus x, that will be 3 upon 4. Now it is very simple. Whenever numbers are written in the form of ratio on both the sides, in between there is equal to, you have to do cross multiplication. So 4x, 28 into 3 is 84 minus x into 3 is minus 3x. Now this 3x we have to take it that side. So 4x plus 3x is equal to 84. So 7x is equal to 84. Therefore x is equal to 84 upon 7. Then x is 12. Radius of first sphere is x, right? This is 12. So what is going to be the second one? 28 minus x. See here. So 28 minus 2, that is 16. So our answer is 12 and 16. Very interesting. 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Everything is in centimeter, so our answer is also going to be in centimeter. Very easy. We were expected to know the formula of volume, right? And then we wrote in the form of ratios and solved it. We got the value of x. Once we get x, we can find out the radius of sphere 1 as well as sphere 2. Very interesting. Let's go ahead. A metallic sphere of radius 3 cm is melted and then cast into small spherical balls of diameter 0.6 cm. Find the number of balls obtained. Assume that there is no wastage of metal during the process. This assumption is very important. Even though they don't mention it, it is assumed, right? See, I told you, whenever we have to make any small thing from any bigger thing, the volume of bigger thing will be on top and the volume of smaller thing will be down in the denominator, and just division will give us answer. So easy, isn't it? Okay, here both the things are sphere, so our formula will be same for bigger thing as well as smaller thing. Both are spheres. Okay, so what is the volume of the bigger sphere? That will be 4 upon 3. Formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So we are going to use this for bigger one. 4 upon 3 into pi into, I am not writing 22 upon 7 here for a reason, because that will anyway go with the down formula, because here also there will be pi. Radius will be how much? Radius 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's write the formula for the smaller sphere which we want to make. Diameter is 0.6. So radius will be half of 0.6. That is 0.3. Radius will be 0.3. So written 3 times. Now here, if you don't want this jump and jump, 3 jumps, so here 1000 we need to write. Okay, we need to basically add 3 zeros. Okay, so let's do it. So our new numbers will look like this: 3 into 3 into 3 into 1000 upon 4 upon 3 into pi into 3. Now they also have become 3 because we have shifted our decimal to the right side by one place. So 3 places, so 3 zeros here. Okay, I could have just added 3 zeros to these 3 also. Okay, but I have written it separately as 1000. Gone. This also gone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 gone. What is remaining is only 1000. So 1000 small balls can be obtained. Number of balls is 1000. Very interesting, isn't it? Let's go to the next sum. The lower part of the circus tent is cylindrical and the upper part is conical. The radius of the base of the tent is 28 meter and the height of the cylindrical part is 15 meter. If the slant height of the conical part is 53 meter, find the canvas used for the tent. Have you seen the tent which is built for the circus? It looks like this: cylindrical and then on top of that conical. So this is round from inside like this, right? This is also round. So this is basically cylindrical and on top conical. So they are asking us how much canvas, means material, will be used to build this. So basically we need to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Only the curved surface area, not this. Only the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cone. So these two formulae we are expected to know. What is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? and cone. Both we will require. So this, if you don't know, you won't be able to proceed. 2 pi r h, pi r l. This is the formula. Once you know these formulae, doing the sum is not a big thing. Okay, let's do it. We have to just substitute the figure. First we will find out the surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder. So 2 into 22 upon 7, 28, and height is 15. So let's do it. 4s are. So 2 into 22 into 4 into 15. 2640. Right? Now let's find out for this conical part of the tent how much canvas will be required. So total curved surface area of a cone, pi r l. So 22 upon 7 into, what is the r given? 28. And slant height is 53. So let's do it. So 22 into 4 into 53, 4664. This is the area. So obviously unit will be in square. It's not volume. Volume is in cube. Area is in square. So how much is the total canvas required? 2640 plus 4664. So how much it is? 7304 meters square canvas will be required. Very, very interesting sum. So students, in each and every sum we have utilized some formula or the other. All these formulae are clearly mentioned in your books. Whichever book you refer, those formulas will be there. Please understand them, memorize them. You will be in comfort zone at the time of examination. Believe me. Okay, they are not difficult at all. Understand how is that shape, why that formula is there. Understand, apply mind. Okay, once you by heart all the formulae, your job is half done. You have to just substitute the figure and do the division and arrive at the answer. Simple, straightforward questions will be there. Okay, we are through with this important chapter now. Surface area and volume. Students, if you enjoy my videos, then please share them with more and more students. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel very, very soon. I will come with the next video. Till then, study well, and very important thing is, correct? Enjoy studying. Bye.